From battling wildfires to crafting wooden masterpieces, hand tools are the unsung heroes of two diverse worlds. In wildland firefighting, specialized hand tools are our first line of defense against raging infernos. Safety is paramount. Proper handling and passing techniques can mean the difference between life and death. Regular maintenance and proper storage ensure our tools are always ready for action when every second counts. In the world of woodworking, hand tools offer unparalleled precision and a connection to age-old craftsmanship. Selecting the right tools for your project is crucial. Consider your skill level, workspace, and the demands of your craft. Master essential techniques like milling, jointing, and planing to unlock the full potential of your hand tools. Keep your tools sharp and well-maintained for optimal performance and safety. Develop an efficiency mindset to maximize your productivity with hand tools. Ready to master hand tools? Click the link below to start your journey.